Hey folks, dealing with a frustrating on-TV black screen? You're not alone. Many on-TV users encounter this issue, but don't worry. We're here to walk you through how to fix an on-TV black screen. In this guide, we'll break down several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check the power supply. First things first, let's ensure your on-TV is receiving power. Check if the power cord is properly connected to the TV and the wall outlet. Sometimes a loose connection can be the culprit behind the black screen. Try plugging your TV into a different power outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. If your TV uses a surge protector, consider bypassing it temporarily to ensure it isn't causing the problem. Step 2. Inspect the HDMI AV connections. A poor connection between your TV and external devices can also lead to a black screen. Inspect the HDMI and AV cables connected to your TV. Unplug each one and plug them back in firmly to ensure there's a solid connection. If possible, switch to a different HDMI port on your TV to see if the issue persists. Sometimes using a different cable can make all the difference, so try replacing any old or defective cables for good measure. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. Sometimes simply resetting your on-TV can resolve the issue. To do this, unplug the TV from the power source and wait about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This soft reset allows the TV to clear any minor glitches that might be causing the black screen. After reconnecting the power, turn the TV back on and check if the display returns. Step 4. Test with external devices. Your on-TV might be getting a black screen due to issues with connected devices like a cable box, streaming device, or gaming console. Test your TV by connecting it to a different device or using a different input source. If the black screen disappears, the original device or its cables might be defective. If the screen still doesn't display properly, further troubleshooting on the TV itself might be necessary. Step 5. Update the TV software. Outdated software can sometimes lead to display issues. Check if there's a software update available for your on-TV. Access the TV's settings menu and look for any options related to software or system updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could potentially resolve your black screen problem. Step 6. Consult the manufacturer or a technician. If you've tried all the steps above and your on-TV screen is still black, it might be time to consult the manufacturer or a professional technician. Your device may still be under warranty, which could cover repair or replacement costs. Contact ONN customer support or visit an authorized repair center for further assistance. Fixing an on-TV black screen doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially solve the issue yourself. Remember, ensuring all connections are secure, performing soft resets, and updating your TV software can work wonders in most cases. However, don't hesitate to seek professional help if these methods do not resolve the problem. Prioritize checking all physical connections and simple software tweaks before diving into more complex solutions. Hopefully, this guide helps you get your on-TV back to displaying your favorite shows and movies in no time. Enjoy your viewing experience.